Hi everyone. Today we're going to study non-homogeneous differential equations of first degree in x and y. Given dy over dx equals small a x plus small b times y plus c all over capital A times x plus capital B times y plus capital C, where small a, small b, small c, capital A, capital B, and capital C are all constants. And small a over big A is equal to small b over capital B. We have steps in solving this type. Step 1. Substitute small a times x plus small b times y equals the variable v, and small b times dy over dx equals dv over dx minus small a to the equation, and solve. In here, we have two equations. Take note that this second equation is the derivative of the first equation with respect to x. Step 2. In the final answer, replace the value of v as ax plus by. Example 1. Find the general solution of the differential equation dy over dx equals x plus y plus 1 all over 2x plus 2y plus 3. Let us substitute x plus y equals v and dy over dx equals dv over dx minus 1. It means to say this x plus y here is the value for our v. In the left side here, the dy over dx is now replaced by dv over dx minus 1. This right side now becomes v plus 1 all over 2v plus 3. Then we isolate the dv over dx. This negative 1 we transpose to the right, and it becomes positive 1. Then we combine this fraction by the whole number 1. So it becomes like this. Then we will simplify the numerator into 3v plus 4, and our denominator is the same, the 2v plus 3. From here, we will do variable separable. It means we will cross multiply, and it becomes like this. 2v plus 3, and this quantity multiplied by dv all over 3v plus 4 equals the dx. And then we will integrate both sides. On the left side, we will apply partial fractions idea. On the right side, it will be easy to take the integral of dx. So the left side now becomes the integral of the quantity 2/3 plus 1 over the quantity 3 times the quantity 3v plus 4 dv. On the right side, we take the integral of dx. So we have here x plus c. So the left side now becomes 2/3 times integral of dv plus 1/3 times the integral of dv over 3v plus 4. We can easily evaluate this 2/3 times the integral of dv. But for the second integral, we will apply the substitution method. So this 2/3 times integral of dv will be 2/3 of v plus the integral of this second will be 1 over 9 times the natural log of the absolute value of 3v plus 4. From here, we will replace now the value of v as x plus y. So it becomes like this. Then let us simplify this equation. Let us remove the fraction. Let us multiply this equation by the LCD. We have here two denominators, 3 and 9. So the LCD is 9. We will multiply this equation by 9. So the resulting equation will be like this. 6 times the quantity x plus y plus this 1 over 9 here will be cancelled. We will just copy this natural log, and then the right side becomes 9x plus c. Take note that when we multiply the c by 9, it becomes 9c. But since it is also a constant, we can simply write here c. The next step here now is to distribute this 6 to the x plus y. So it becomes like this. We can see that we have 6x on the left side and 9x on the right side. We can combine these two x's. So we have now this 6y minus 3x plus, we just copy this natural log value equals the constant c. We can simplify further by factoring out the common factor, that is 3, for this 6y minus 3x. So we have now this 3 times the quantity 2y minus x plus the natural log of the same value here equals the constant c. This is now the final answer. Example 2. Find the general solution of the differential equation. The quantity 2x plus 4y plus 3 times dy over dx equals x plus 2y plus 1. So we let this x plus 2y be the v. And if we take the derivative of this with respect to x, we have this dv over dx equals 1 plus 2 times dy over dx. If we want to isolate the dy over dx, it becomes like this. dy over dx equals 1/2 times the quantity dv over dx minus 1. Then we substitute the values of v and dy over dx to our equation here. So it becomes like this. This 2x plus 4y plus 3 becomes 2v plus 3 times the dy over dx. Here is now the new value. 1/2 times the quantity dv over dx minus 1 equals, the right side is x plus 2y, that becomes v, then plus 1. Next thing to do is to simplify this equation by removing the fraction. We have denominator of 2, so we multiply this equation by 2. So the resulting equation will be like this. Our next goal now is to isolate this dv over dx. It means let us divide this equation by 2v plus 3. So this is now the resulting equation. Next thing to do, when we isolate this dv over dx, this negative 1 here must be transposed to the right. So the negative 1 becomes positive 1 to the right. And the dv over dx will be alone in one side. Let us now combine this fraction by the whole number 1. So it becomes like this, and let us simplify the numerator. We have the new numerator as 4v plus 5 over the same denominator 2v plus 3. At this point, we're going to do variable separable. So we will have this 2v plus 3, this quantity multiplied by dv all over 4v plus 5 equals dx. Then we will integrate both sides. On the right side, it's easy to get the integral of dx. On the left side, we will apply the partial fractions idea. So the left side now becomes 1/2 times the integral of dv plus 1/2 times the integral of dv all over 4v plus 5 equals, the right side now becomes x plus c. We know how to get the integral of 1/2 times integral of dv. For the second integral here, we will apply substitution method. So our next equation will be like this. 1/2 times v plus 1 over 8 times the natural log of the absolute value of 4v plus 5 equals, the right side same x plus c. Then we go to step 2 by replacing v by the value x plus 2y. So it becomes like this. We can see that we have fractions here, so let us simplify this equation by removing the fraction. Let us multiply this equation by the LCD. We have two denominators, 2 and 8. So the LCD is 8. Let's multiply this equation by 8. The new equation becomes 4 times the quantity x plus 2y. Then plus, we can see that the 1/8 is now cancelled out. On the right side, it becomes 8x plus c. Next thing to do here is to distribute this 4 to the x and to the 2y. So we have now this 4x plus 8y. Take note that we have 4x on the left side and we have 8x on the right. We can transpose this 8x to the left side. So we have now this 4x minus 8x. When we combine this 4x minus 8x, we will get negative 4x. Take note here now that this negative 4x and positive 8y have a common factor, and that is 4. So we can write like this: 4 times the quantity 2y minus x plus the natural log value is here equals c. This is now the final answer. I hope you learned something from this video. See you again next time.